back. Sure, we got the see, you already know we got the 2020 Shelby GT500 truck. You know, you see the sunroof up there. This thing got a sunroof. Got the 32-inch rims. This thing's supercharged. You know, let me go ahead and pop that hood real quick. Let me show you. This thing SVT supercharged. Got the Shelby GT500 motor in there. It's a 2-door. You know, SUV. Got the Fat Snake tags at the back. Race suspension. You know, we're gonna take it to the drag track, see how many pulls.
Yeah, see, you got good lines this time.
Yeah,
See how many pulls.
Yeah, he's still lost though.
Yeah, the track hawk pulls a little bit. Like,
Are you another Rexy, bro? And you're gonna click on Mansory? Why?
I've never watched this video.
We're not looking for that video at this moment.
Okay, which one? Oh, track hawk?
Track hawk.
Bro, you don't see it right there?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, this one right here.
Yeah.
Y'all hurt my brain, bro.
But it has 1.8 million views, and look how official it is.
Oh man.
Like I would take this over the other.
Alright, skip all this shit, cause we don't care about that. Look, they're not even from America. That's how you know this video is real as fuck.
Okay.
Look at that. He's in Corsa mode. Assetto.
So what you saying? Your uncle.
Of course, the mode.
Look, that shit say crying on the back of that bitch. You saw that shit? Cause that's
Crying. I'm done.
Look at that. They all launched at the same time.
Yeah, look. It's smoking that.
He's in street mode.
Yeah.
You gotta be in track mode.
I think they did one with launch control and one without. So you can see.